It's a nice, lovely sunny day here in Oakdale, and I'm at my old reliable spot at the distant signal just west of Sayville. This is what I like to call the block of eastbound trains, as there's 4 consecutive eastbound runs in a row, one of them being a summer extra. Around 25 minutes after the 504 clears the area, we get the next train, the Summer Extra, to Patchogue. Riding hot on the heels of the 412 is the 410, the usual express between Jamaica and Montauk. Now, it would have had to make stops at Bayshore and Sayville, but the 412 already took care of that. And about 20 minutes after that train came through, here comes the Patchogue Scoot, the 4-car set that runs back and forth between Babylon and Patchogue all day, making all local stops. The block of eastbounds has passed, and here's our first westbound train, an equipment run back to Jamaica. This is the extra train we saw earlier. Westbound train number 2 is an express run from Montauk to Jamaica, making limited stops along the way. Westbound number 3 is the Patchogue Scoot making its way back towards Babylon. This train was a Friday-only run between Jamaica and Spionk. Our last train of the day is the westbound counterpart of the first train we saw. It should have been the same set, but for some reason they took a different set from Spionk Yard. I don't know why.